Hey, you! Yes, you! Are you interested in looking cool in front of your friends? Do you tire of your friends bragging about how their Windows system has voice mod and it only costs this much and you're a Linux loser and they hate you? They hate you and... Is there a better way? Yes, there is. With Reaper. The code is simple. Don't worry, I will put it in the description. But in essence, it's three solid chunks. The first chunk is, in essence, the ReaperSync that I made. It actually does nothing, but I like to keep it. It's nice. But the second one, way more important, that's your microphone. That's your virtual microphone. That's what hooks up to Discord. That's the beauty of it. It's literally labeled Reaper Mic. But the third thing, the second most important, is Reaper, when you are live monitoring, has a, live monitor, meaning you could hear yourself all the time, and that can get really annoying. So this line of code, the null-sink, sync, new Reaper, sync properties, blah, 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 but the ReaperMonitor, in essence, is like a virtual headset, which you can just open an application and turn that down without turning it down from Reaper. Here we open Pipewire, to where we see all the bunch of bullcrap mics and whatever this is. Don't look at my system. But in essence, what you have pulled up is your actual mic. My personal mic is the Scarlett Solo. And I pull it up to the ReaperSync because, I don't know, it's useless. But ReaperSync plugs into ReaperMic, which is your virtual microphone, I have to repeat. And Reaper is labeled the ReaperMonitor, which is the third line of code right there. Automatically being detected, ReaperMic will likely route to your Discord once it's open. Your Discord processing is likely like a WebRTC, voice engine, bullcrap, whatever. This means that Discord has recognized this as a virtual mic, and if everything's routed correctly, your mic goes to this mic. Simple as. But what we need is an in-between to make it sound cool. And when you open Reaper, you'll find an all-caps Reaper with the in and out processes where you can just easily plug in Reaper to the ReaperMonitor, as well as through the mic output and whatnot, allowing you to have Reaper both output to your mic and to the monitor. You can turn down the monitor for what you hear, which goes to your headset, and you can also have Reaper itself go into your mic, meaning that any voice effects or silly things like that are immediately processed and sent to your mic, which is sent to Discord, and thus you have a basic voice changer just like that for just free. That's about it. Short, sweet video. Have a good day now.